In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your current membership plan on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser, then go to chess.com. Make sure you are signed into your chess.com profile, and then head over to settings. To do that, click at that gear, scroll down, and that's where we can find membership payment. If we click on it, we'll be taken to that page where we can see our current membership plan here. Now it is basic member on my chess.com account. However, we can always change it by clicking at that button. That's where we can buy any other plan if we would like to do so. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.